Today's video, we're going to be talking about DNet storage. We're going to be talking about the Watcher nodes. We're going to talk about how you can get yourself involved in their upcoming node sale that's coming around now. But let's jump into today's video. Let's learn a little bit more about DNet, and let's learn exactly how we can install a free app on our phone, earn some passive income, and then also as well prepare ourselves and get ourselves involved in the reservation for the upcoming node sale that they currently have. All you need to do to get yourself involved in DNet is download the DNet storage and Watcher node app onto your phone. Once you've done this, create yourself an account, and from there you'll be able to set up your Watcher node for free, and then from there you'll be then able to start earning yourself some daily WN. Now with the WN rewards that you'll be receiving, you'll be able to use this to boost up and level up your actual Watcher node and increase the stage on there, and then also from there, once you've earned those WN, this will then put you in the leaderboard, and you'll then use those points to base that off on the mini airdrops and also the big airdrop, which is coming towards the actual TGE, which is coming very, very soon for DNet. So from here, guys, also something as well that I think is very, very important to, remember as well, is the more WN that you actually accumulate within your app is it adds an actual discount in regards to the actual node for this here. So for the actual Datakeeper node that is here, the more WN that you have accumulated within your wallet, you will then from there be able to get, gain a further discount in regards to the price on the actual Datakeeper node. So let's learn a little bit more about the Datakeeper node. Let's look a little bit more in regards to it and why you probably want to get yourself involved today and reserve one of these nodes going forward. Now let's go over the differences between the Datakeeper node and the Watcher node. Now the Datakeeper node itself is for providing storage, and it will enable direct access to storage space from Datakeepers, eliminating the intermediaries. Users pay for storage supporting the network, while Datakeepers are basically incentivized, and you'll receive rewards for actually having this node set up. Now, DNet invites new Datakeepers to get involved, as setting up a Datakeeper node on peak will become simpler and more accessible than ever, so that literally everyone will be able to launch it and in a few clicks basically, and the node sale is now currently live as we speak at this specific point. So how this works is, to launch a node you have to purchase a node during the node sale. I'll be leaving a link for you guys down in the description, so make sure you click on that if you are interested, and at the moment you can reserve your spot for the node sale. And to be honest with you guys, you do want to get yourself in early on this so you can lock in the price exactly where it is right now. I currently reserved myself for $100, and this has locked my price in, I think, for around about $529, and currently right now the nodes are going for around $600, but you do have to reserve $100 right now to secure that price. Datakeepers share their storage space and earn rewards for storage users' datas. Files uploaded by users are replicated across multiple Datakeepers. Each file is encrypted for privacy. Proof of storage algorithm verifies stored fragments, enabling payment transactions. And then the benefits as well for being a Datakeeper, so accessibility for all, no intermediaries, environmental impact, contribution to the development of DPIN and the opportunities to join at an early stage, and the beneficial conditions. So guys, this is going to have two main sources of income. Now the Watcher node, this is the node that you'll find on your mobile phone. This is something that you will be able to set up, use, collect and earn your WN, and then use this going forward to increase your rewards and your earnings as well going forward. Now the Watcher is a mobile device node designed to enhance the security of decentralized storage network like never before. Anyone with a smartphone can turn on a Watcher node in the DNet storage app and earn, while checking every piece of data of storage on the network for the highest level of security. How to become a Watcher node. The process is remarkably simple, so all you need to do basically is download the app, turn on the Watcher node. There's like an option just at the bottom of your app, and then from there you'll then start checking the files, and then you'll start to earn some rewards. Basically, it's as simple as that, and it's free to get yourself set up with the Watcher node. So like I say, check out the link that's down in the description, click on that, go through there, download the app, sign up, and then from there all you need to do is turn on your Watcher node, go on the app a couple times a day collect those WN tokens, and from there you are then earning with your Watcher node. And then also as well, there's some interesting points, such as the higher the level of your Watcher node will actually give you a discount in regards to the price on your Datakeeper node when the sale actually ends and we're actually able to purchase our nodes. So take that into account. Currently myself, I do believe I'm stage 31 with my node right now. Let me know down in the comments what stage you guys are currently with your nodes. If you was to reserve your node today for $100, the price of the node will be $529 per node. And currently right now there's 104 nodes left at that exact price. Once those nodes have been reserved, the price then per node will be $106. So like I say, you'll be able to reserve for $100, use that as a discount towards that, increase the stage level of your Watcher nodes, and from increasing the stage on those, they'll add a further discount towards the actual Datakeeper node when the reservation ends. And this does end in 37 days and 13 hours from the point of me making today's video. There is some key sources of the data keeping income, so this is something that is worth having a little look through. Now it is a bit of a guide, but also, you know, do take that into consideration when you are looking at it. So for myself right now, I currently have, you know, around about 17 TB on my account, so I could probably store up to about 17 terabytes worth of data, and roughly that would give me about $1,700 per year. So we can also see as well over here, we can see the token distribution. Node holders get up to 15% of DNet token supply, which is absolutely huge. And that means in average, we'll be getting 1,300 per year. And that's just based off of holding the actual Datakeeper node itself. So like I say, if you want to get yourself involved, the free way to do it is just downloading the DNet storage app from the Apple or Google Play Store. And then make sure you use the link that I'll be leaving you guys down in the description. And then you can go through, invite your friends, they can sign up, you can earn more points, and then use that to then further your discount on grabbing yourself the Datakeeper node, which like in turn is going to give out an average of 1,300 per year. Now there is a few points, you know, that do come to that, and it is worth checking out those. But for the reservation of the Datakeeper node spot, the earlier you reserve, the better the price of the node sale. Get a special offer and buy the node. Launch the Datakeeper node and earn easy to launch on any platform with very low system requirements. Now this will be available to be done once the node sale goes live, so we'll be able to actually run this on an actual system. If you do refer up any of your friends, you'll be able to get some USDT as a stable reward. It will be easy to launch, minimal system requirements, so the system will only need to have a very, very basic system. So that's something with 1 GB of RAM, 100 GB worth of storage, and at least 10 megabytes of upload and download speed, which is absolutely easy to achieve in today's standards. DNet's node structure, so they have the Datakeeper node to store the users and the business data, create file replications, and the Watcher node verifies the number of files for replications, and then, you know, if that notices any too less, then the Datakeeper node then itself will then go forward and verify that and put that information back into it. Now let's look over at the roadmap. So as we can see here for the released, so this is currently what they have released at this specific time. So they've got the DNet storage protocol, they've got the storage mobile app, private data sharing, Watcher node, the Datakeeper node, and DNet payments. In the next 12 months, they plan to have the DNet storage v4, Datakeeper node reserve and sale. So by this point, the sale will already be done because this is within 37 days from now. The ecosystem will be launching on peak, which is going to be absolutely huge, and that's one of the big news and information in regards to DNet, is that they are now transitioning over to peak. Enterprise and solution release, SDK and CLI app for businesses to create massive loads, integration with the Peak SDK, and the DNet token launch. And this is for the TGE that we're coming up soon. And then also as well, guys, don't forget with the DNet token launch, there is going to be some mini airdrops, and then there is also going to be an actual large airdrop that will be coming out at the TGE. And you really want to get yourself involved with just having the, you know, the app installed, and then, you know, accumulate yourself some of the WN tokens to then put you in a good standing and a good position to get a chunk of that. Now in the next 5 years as well, they have some AI training monetization, a DNet marketplace, and DPIN storage academy. Something worth mentioning in regards to the Datakeeper nodes, so you can reserve it for $100, but if you want to change your mind in regards to the actual $100, the deposit is refundable, guys. So make sure you do take that into account. So, you know, if you did want to or did change your mind, it is a risk-free refundable deposit. You'd only lose 5% in regards to that for the transactional fee of getting that back. So overall, you know, it's kind of a risk-free, you know, going for this. Now, like I said, I've done videos in regards to DNet before in the past, so I would recommend you guys going through and checking those videos out on the channel. I'll also leave a link for you guys down in the description to go ahead and purchase one of these or get yourself in and reserved. I would also recommend every single one of you to download the DNet storage and Watcher Node app on the Apple Play or, you know, Google Play Store. It is free, and you'll be able to set yourself up the Watcher Node and start earning some WN today. And like I said, when the airdrops do come out very, very soon for the TGE, you will then be able to claim some earnings and earn some passive income from that. So let me know your thoughts and opinions on this, guys, down in the comments section below. Feel free to jump into our Discord and ask any questions you may have in regards to this there. But make sure now to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Make sure to check out all the links I'm going to be leaving you guys down in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.